Hi Rowan. Hello Akash. I'm so glad we could meet up for lunch today. Me too, it's been way too long. I can't wait to catch up. Let's go to the restaurant. We will have a lunch there. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Nice place, I like it. Good choice, Akash. Thank you. I am a regular customer here. I really enjoy its food. It's delicious. I am sure. Your taste is always good. So, have you decided what you're going to order? I think I'll go with the margarita pizza. You can never go wrong with a classic. What about you? Nice choice. I'm going to go with the chicken pesto pasta. It's been my favorite here. Nice. Hey, can I ask for something? Of course, you can always ask anything. Thank you, buddy. Can you order for me, please, because I really need to use restroom? Definitely. Not a problem at all. Please go on IWLL, place the order.
Good afternoon. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Thank you, but I am thinking to order the chicken pesto pasta and the margarita pizza.
Excellent choice. I'll put in the order. Is there anything else I can get you?
No, I think that's all for now.
All right, I'll get your orders in. Enjoy your meal, and let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dining experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Bon appétit.
Rowan, I've been thinking about Rata's birthday, and I thought it would be so much fun to throw her a surprise party at the park. What do you think? I love the idea, Akash. The park is a perfect place for a surprise party, and Jenny will absolutely adore it. What's your vision for the party? Well, I was thinking of setting up a picnic area under those big oak trees near the pond. We could have blankets, cushions, and fairy lights. And maybe some balloons too. That sounds adorable. And it will create a cozy and magical atmosphere. What about food and drinks? I've got that covered. I'm planning to prepare a variety of finger foods, like sandwiches, fruit skewers, and mini cupcakes. As for drinks, we can have lemonade, iced tea, and some juice for the non-alcoholic options. Yum! Rada will definitely enjoy that. Should we have a theme for the party? Absolutely! Rada loves vintage stuff, so I was thinking of a retro theme. Everyone can dress up in 60s and 70s style outfits, and we can play some classic tunes too. That's such a fun idea. I can already imagine the colorful outfits and groovy music. How about entertainment? Well, I thought of organizing some classic lawn games like sack races, tug of war, and maybe a piñata for added excitement. And since Jenny loves dancing, we could also set up an area for dancing later in the evening. Perfect! And don't forget to capture all these wonderful moments. We should have a designated photographer to take pictures throughout the party. Great point. I'll ask Pranyala if she can help with that. Now, the tricky part, how do we get Rada to the park without her suspecting anything? How about we tell her we're having a casual get-together in the park, just a few friends hanging out? And we can strategically set up the picnic area while she's distracted. Sneaky, I like it. And as she arrives, we can all shout, "Surprise!" I'll make sure someone captures her reaction on camera. It's going to be so heartwarming. I can't wait to see the look on Jenny's face when she realizes what's happening. Just one thing, have you thought about a backup plan in case of bad weather? Yes, I have. The park has a small pavilion nearby, so if it rains, we can quickly move the party there. I'll keep an eye on the weather forecast as the date gets closer. You've thought of everything, Akash. This party is going to be incredible. Thanks, Rowan. I'm really excited about it. Let's start making a checklist of all the tasks and items we need to bring. We have some work to do.